Want to rotate your video in VLC Media Player, either for a quick fix while watching or to permanently correct that sideways clip? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to rotate a video in VLC step by step and explain each option so you'll know whether you're just adjusting your view for today or actually saving the rotated file for keeps. By the end, you'll confidently handle any video rotation problem, whether it's an upside-down phone recording or a flip TikTok export. Let's get started right away. First off, if you just want to temporarily rotate a video, maybe your friend sent you a sideways file, or you shot a clip on your phone and it's coming up in portrait when you watched it on your computer, you can easily adjust the playback without changing the original file. Begin by opening your video in VLC Media Player. It's as simple as double-clicking the file or dragging it into the VLC window. The interface should look familiar if you've used VLC before. Next, look up at the menu bar along the top and go into Tools. From here, select Effects and Filters, or if you're a keyboard shortcut fan, just hit Ctrl+. This will bring up the Adjustments and Effects window. Think of this as VLC's control panel for video tweaks. Within this window, you'll see a set of tabs. Go to the second one labeled Video Effects. Now here, where you'll start customizing your view. See the Geometry tab, click on that. Once you're inside Geometry, check the box labeled Transform. This box is the key. It turns on VLC's rotation feature. Now take a look at the drop-down menu right below. Here you'll find preset rotations like 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees. For example, if your video was filmed in portrait mode but you want to watch it widescreen, you'd choose 90 or 270 degrees, depending on which direction it's off. There are also flip options in case your video is mirrored. But maybe you have a situation where the angle isn't one of those standard presets, like if your camera slipped and it filmed at a quirky 37-degree angle. In that case, check the Rotate box and use the interactive dial to set a custom angle. Spin it like a clock hand until the image lines up just right. This part might take a few moments of fine-tuning, so don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get it exactly how you want. Once you're happy with the rotation, click Save, then Close. Instantly, the video will play with your chosen rotation. If you rewind or pause, the rotation stays in place for this viewing session. Just remember, this change is temporary. Your original video file isn't altered. That's it for rotating during playback. If you want to actually save the rotated video as a new file so it stays fixed for good even if you send it to someone else, there's another process, and I'll cover that in a separate video. And that's all there is to it. Rotating a video in VLC is quick and flexible, whether you need a one-time fix for watching or a permanent adjustment. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to know about saving the rotated version, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical video editing tips and tech how-tos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.